Welcome back to this training series. So in this WordPress tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install WordPress theme manually by using a downloaded WordPress theme, which is in the zip form. It is very important that you download WordPress theme from trusted sites like ThemeForest to avoid security threats of your WordPress site. Always download WordPress theme from trusted sites. So once you have downloaded the WordPress theme, go to Appearance, then Theme, Add New, then click on Upload Theme. Choose File, then look for the downloaded WordPress theme, which is in zip form. Select it, then click on Install Now. After the installation, click on Activate. After the activation, you can now view the WordPress theme you have installed on your WordPress site. So this is how to install WordPress theme manually through zip file. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any question. See you in the next video.